One receiver room. The edges are not very good. We have a ceiling with resilient bars.
We put the metal bar here underneath,
Yeah.
but still.
But there is no sound block plasterboard. It's this plaster that is for fire, thermal regulations, or maybe not. It's gray, and you have like a sponge, but it's for thermal. It's not soft at all. It's rigid, so this is not helping, and it's quite light as well. Yeah, it's quite light. So this is the plaster that we have on the ceiling with resilient bars. Yeah. The first floor, the chipboards are rubbish. We have a lot of holes. Again, the skirting. Then we have this flooring that is rubbish as well. It's not really good fitted. We have like sluice. And again, this is test one source room. The skirting is rubbish. Pipe work. Yep. Yeah, that's it.